Authentic Mexican tiles are also known as traditional Spanish tiles. They're made from materials like clay, stone, and cement, and are durable and customizable. As with any artistic medium, you'll get exceptional results with Mexican decor when you have a clear vision for your design. So, what style do you want your updated space to embody? Hacienda, Mediterranean, farmhouse, or modern? One of the best things about Mexican tiles is how alive they are. They have a palpable energy about them, and their rainbow of colors is endlessly intriguing. Mexican tiles are also highly customizable. We carry a vast selection of tile shapes, sizes, colors, and patterns. These artisan pieces truly can transform any space they adorn. They can be used in all areas, including kitchens, bathrooms, patios, stairs. The options are limitless. Want to explore ideas for your project? Contact us today.